Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Today we will make a rocket with straw and balloons. It's very easy. Let's get started. For making this rocket, you will need 2 straws, 1 large balloon, small balloon, some masking tape, scissors, and a lighter or matches. First, take 2 straws and join them together at one end using masking tape. Make sure that they are joined tightly because air will leak out if there is a gap between them. Now make a small hole in the middle of the joint using scissors. This hole should be just big enough for the small balloon to pass through. Do not cut a big hole. Now take the small balloon and thread it through the hole in the straws. Let's take the other end of the small balloon and tie it with a double knot. Make sure that the knot is tight. If the knot is not tight, then the balloon will leak out from the straw. Now take the big balloon and start filling it with air. As you fill the balloon with air, keep on twisting it so that the air remains inside the balloon. After filling in enough air, twist the balloon into a cone shape and then hold it with your fingers. Now place this cone in between the 2 straws in such a way that the opening of the balloon touches the opening of the straws. Now we will light the rocket. For lighting the rocket, take the lighter and burn one end of the small balloon. You can also use matches for this. As soon as the balloon catches fire, immediately remove it from between the straws and throw it away. The air inside the big balloon will force the rocket to go up. If you want, you can also make multiple rockets by using more straws. Just make sure that all the balloons are tied properly. Here we have made 2 rockets. Let's see how they work. This is the first rocket. We will light it. As the small balloon catches fire, remove it from between the straws and throw it away. The rocket will now go up. Watch it carefully. It will go high up in the sky. And this is our second rocket. Again, light the small balloon, and as it starts burning, remove it from between the straws and throw it away. Our second rocket is also going up. These rockets can go really high up in the sky. Look at this one. It's going very high. That's all for today. If you like this video, then hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see some more amazing videos, then click on these 2 videos. Thank you for watching.